Blues Travelers, Door County, 2021. That's how we do it. Was getting all three kids a slushie a huge mistake? Blue?
I met up with one of my friends and his family. We were best friends all through grade school and high school, and then we moved to different parts of the country. He's currently living in Idaho, but they were in Wisconsin visiting family, and we happened to be there as well, so they drove and met us in Door County, got to hang out. It was a great day, it was really fun, and hopefully we get to do it again sometime soon.
You're making a lake?
Yeah.
What's it called? Get me. Awesome. Yup. Oh.
So cute. Good job. Can you hold your dress and go like this?
Ice cream.
Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. You did really good.
I appreciate it.
What?
I appreciate it.
She appreciates it. You're cute. Me and Sarah came here in the summer of 2015 before kids, and we love this little town. It's Fish Creek, Wisconsin in Door County, and it's a cool little town, and it's all like mom and pop shops. Really neat.
I do too.
We are a little saddened that there are no longer flowers on the sides of the roads here in Fish Creek. That was one of the coolest things about it. We thought last time we came, they had marigolds planted on both sides of the street all the way down through town, and now it's just concrete. I think they widened the sidewalk, so little letdown. We were excited to show the kids that.
Hello.
Here's the only remaining marigold on the side of the road. Not licked yet, frozen custard. What do you think about it? Any good? Or is it yucky? Do you like it, Mara?
Okay, that's a nice one.
You get it?
Oh.
Oh! Oh no! No!
What is this for a minute? Alright.
200 pounds. Are you getting one?
100 cherries here.
Oh, look. You want a hat? You want a hat? Oh!
You say thank you? Oh, look at Richard.
Are you happy? Alright, last time we came this was closed and it was an old rotten tower. Now they've redone it and made it really awesome. And Ezra and Reagan are fired up about it.
Down over these stairs. Let's go through that. Look at this view, Mommy. Ta-da!
It's a pretty awesome idea.
Look down there. Hello, boys. We are
You?
so high up in the
On camera.
clouds. You can't even see us. Hi, car. Because we're going over you guys. Yeah. Let's go
Wait, we're
back
right
up
here.
to the tower, okay, Daddy?
Oh, I don't think you're going to be able to pass Nora.
Stop before the stairs, okay?
Oh, there where we was.
Yeah, it comes out right there. And they got a fire pit. It's a nice setup.
The woods and everything. The
pretty.
flowers.
You can't beat this spot for a picnic. We're under this huge shade tree. Sturgeon Bay. Quite the view. It's an awesome little park here. They're huge.
I hope they ship. Yeah, but where is the sailboat?
Something will be coming through it.
How does it?
There it goes.
The
Little
bridge,
sailboat coming
how
through.
does the bridge know when to go up? Hi.
Oh, yeah?
Right there.
I see. I love it.
Come on, horsey.
You want up there? Okay. Oh, good job.
Her face.
The water is so clean. I want to go up that way so I can
There's the tree we had our picnic under. Look how many people copied us.
I know.
We invented it. There's the other lighthouse. We got a ship coming in.
Daddy, those fishes are the same fish that was at the other place. Okay, we'll put it in the hole.
We are walking a fine line between legal and illegal. Illegal, legal, illegal. Private, public, private. That's jail time if you cross that line. Oh, Reagan's going to jail.
Half a walk.
Oh, come here. Watch him come down. Oh, ZZ. ZZ backed out of it.
Alright, we're ready. Watch out, Nora. Nora, back.
Whoa!
Oh, Reagan.
Mommy's scared. Reagan's having a blast. She's like a stunt rider. That was awesome. Look at Nora wants to high five you.
That was awesome.
That was awesome. That was hilarious.
Yeah,